Hello, in front of me I've got Skoda Fabia. In this video we'll check how safe this car is. The car is equipped with up to 9 airbags. Front, side, curtain, driver knee, rear sides optional. It has ISOFIX latches as standard on outer rear seats, with often optional on front passenger. The Euro NCAP gave this car 5 stars for adult 85%, children 81% and vulnerable 70% protection. Best trim for safety is mid trim with travel assist pack. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.